Okay, this is the passenger side mirror on an '07 Ram 2500. It should work about the same for the driver's side. The reason I'm replacing this mirror is because an ambulance drove by on the highway and broke my mirror, and I put a little makeshift mirror. It's duct taped on there. So I am replacing the whole mirror on this side. The first thing you do is you take this little screw out on the triangle up on the other side of the mirror. If it looks like I'm taking all day to get one screw out, I am. I'm holding the camera and I'm holding the screwdriver, so it's a little bit difficult to do both. So just bear with me. There are 3 nuts on this side of the mirror and 1 clip. You just pull that one little clip out, the electrical connection, and the 3 bolts off, and that's all. And then the mirror pulls off. So there's no need to pull the door panel off. I know that some other people say you got to pull the door panel off, and you don't. It's an easy fix. Okay, this is where I dropped the nut down into the door panel. I was trying not to take the door panel off. And, I don't want to play the blame game, but, it is kind of your fault. You're a lot of trouble. Dragging you around, showing you what's going on, it's kind of your fault. But I won't blame you. I'll just figure out how to get the nut out of the door panel. So it turns out all I had to do was take the little screw out at the bottom of the door panel and pry it open just a little bit with the screwdriver, and the nut fell right out. As long as you have the right mirror for your replacement, you should just be able to pop it up there, put your 3 nuts back on, plug in your electrical connection, and put your screw back in your plastic cover up there on the inside. Make sure you turn the key on though. You want to check and make sure your electrical connections work with your new mirror.